guys, welcome to Ketav's Fast and Easy Food. I'm your host Ketav Sodi, and in today's video we are making barbecue shrimp. And thank you so much guys for 50 subscribers. That means a lot to me. Now the things you will need for this recipe are Now we will start marinating our shrimps. First we are going to put salt, and as you know, salt is according to your own taste. I'm putting as on my taste. And the reason why we put salt onto the shrimp is because these will become more tender if we add the salt before. Now I'm gonna quickly take the barbecue sauce and put it inside my shrimp. Now I'm gonna add the soya sauce and rice wine, sweet rice wine. If you don't have sweet rice wine, you can add a bit of sugar. Now we're gonna add the ketchup, and lastly we're gonna put chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, and you can put it according to your own taste as well, if you want it more spicier or less spicier. Now we will mix up the shrimp. First let me put this sauce on top. Now we will mix our shrimp. You can use our hands, never stop using your hands for all this. Now we will mix the shrimps into the sauce. So there is no need to put cuts into the shrimps, because if you put cuts they will break easily, and if they get tender without even putting the cuts, because the sauce will get inside it eventually. Now we will let this sit for around 2 to 3 hours. Now my barbecue grill is well lit, and it is ready we are ready to grill our shrimps to it. Now we are gonna add a bit oil to the shrimps, and we are gonna mix it well. And now we're gonna take a pair of tongs and start to lay our shrimp onto the grill. As you can listen to the sizzling sound of the shrimp. Now I have added about 5 to 6 shrimps into it. And now we're gonna leave the rest of the shrimps and put the top on to smoke these. Now it's been a few seconds. Wow, look at that smoke. It's been a few seconds since I have put my shrimp onto the grill. Now we are gonna turn them, and turning them is very important because they need to be cooked thoroughly from both sides, and we need to get those beautiful grill marks as well. Oh. It's super hot right now on this grill. And now what we are going to do is take a brush and take a bit of the barbecue sauce and brush it onto the shrimp on the other side which we have flipped. You can listen to the sizzling sound. It is very strong right now. And now we will again cover it to make it smoke from the other side as well. Now it's again been some few seconds since we have smoked. Oh, again there's a lot of smoke. Now we are going to flip them again, and as I told, if we don't flip them they will burn. And now all these, wow, they're nicely cooked right now. And this, we are gonna grill our shrimps in batches to make a point. Now we are gonna put the marination we have made again on the top. And we will again put the top lid on. And this is the final coat we have put of the marination. And now we will let this simmer and smoke in the grill. Now our shrimps are thoroughly cooked, and we are gonna take off the lid and we are gonna start putting it on the plate. And the time when you come to know they're thoroughly cooked is, as you can see, they have curled up. From straight they have curled up, that means they are cooked. Now I'm gonna put them onto a plate. And this marination varies for the size of the shrimp as well. Mine were medium. There you have it, our shrimps are ready. You can serve them with any sauce you like. I suggest ranch, and I hope you can have them on your fun day or any other day. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.